Hello, Namaskar and welcome to my channel Physio Trends. This is me, Physio Prem Shah, Associate Professor at Vikas College of Physiotherapy. My dear friends, in this video, I am going to tell you all that why this is the perfect time to choose physiotherapy as your career option. Now friends, it is very important that we do not decide our career option only on the basis of current situations and current vacancies and demands, but also we should think about what will be the situation after 4 to 5 years of that particular career, because that is the time when you will be out in the field and actually be working in that particular field. Healthcare industries have always been in demand and always will be in demand, but few branches of healthcare industries have shown excellent potential in this COVID situation, and we all know that we will require more support for mental well-being, physical well-being, as well as for lifestyle modifications to accustom to the new normal situation. And physiotherapy is the only advanced branch of healthcare that provides support to people for their mental, physical well-being as well as lifestyle modification without causing any side effects. And it can be accessible to any age group of people without any discomfort. And the most interesting fact about physiotherapy is that it specializes in many branches like musculoskeletal injuries, sports injuries, pediatric conditions, neuromuscular conditions, cardiorespiratory conditions, antenatal, postnatal, women's health and many more conditions. So because of this, you always have advantage to target particular population of the world, and let me tell you that there will be many more specializations available in the physiotherapy in future, like physiotherapy in space, physiotherapy for veterinary, which is the special branch for physiotherapy giving for the animals. Apart from this, the awareness of this profession is in all-time high. People have started recognizing the effects and benefits of physiotherapy in various areas, and I believe that this awareness will be much more if you calculate it after 4 years or 5 years. Not only the future benefits, but also in this present pandemic condition, choosing physiotherapy for your career is beneficial. If you ask me why, then I'll tell you that financial burden is very less. If you compare tuition fees for other healthcare professions, physiotherapy professions tuition fees are also very minimum, and that is also one more reason that you should choose physiotherapy as your career option in 2021. Physiotherapists are the healthcare professionals who treats their patients without any side effects and without any medicines, and also gives them lifestyle modifications and exercises to have a wonderful life ahead. And that is the reason that physiotherapy is the current need for each and everyone in the world, and also it will be need for people in future coming years as well. And that is the reason that I recommend that physiotherapy is the best healthcare professional career to choose in 2021. Let me know in comments if I can help you more with journey of becoming a physiotherapist. Also, you can DM me on my Instagram account at @physiotrends. Also, you can directly mail me at physiotrends@gmail.com. Also, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel Physio Trends for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this.